So here we are cruising on the James. As you can see on the right there, it's Jimmy Dean's place. Jimmy Dean Sausage, the old singer Jimmy Dean, country singer. So we're cruising past his place, heading towards Richmond, heading upriver, or kind of north. Right now we're actually have turned around and we're heading back towards Jimmy Dean's place, and we're going to start heading back downstream towards Hopewell, Virginia. So up ahead here is the Dutch Gap power plant, Virginia Power. It's a coal-fired plant, but they're switching it over to natural gas. So anyway, it's Dutch Gap power plant. Straight ahead here, that's the Piranha Bridge on I-295. On the left side there is Piranha, which is part of Henrico County, and on the right side is Enon, or of Chesterfield County. Right here is Meadowville Landing, a subdivision in Enon, Virginia. But we're approaching a cut channel that goes off to the right here. The old river channel goes off to the left, but they dug these cut channels years ago, the Corps of Engineers back in the Civil War days, to make shipping easier through here. And so this is not the natural river. That they created that island actually on the left there. So as we approach this barge here, there's City Point in Hopewell. As you can see, the factories in the background over there. The James goes off to the left. This is the confluence of the Appomattox River, and we're going to be turning right onto the Appomattox and heading towards the Route 10 bridge. So as we approach the Route 10 bridge from Hopewell, the city of Hopewell is on the left, and Hopewell Marina there on the left, and on the right is Chesterfield County, the Enon section of Chesterfield County. So as I say, this is the Route 10 bridge over the Appomattox River, and that is Hopewell Marina there on the left.
Tell them there.
What's he telling me?
Tell them there. Tell them folks. Come. Get out the way.
Get out the way! Get out the way!
I am the captain. Out the way.
Get out the way!
Dad. Dad busted out a move there.
Hey, get out the way!
Who thinks that?
I don't know, it's one of them things that's on TikTok sometimes.
That's busting your groove. Man, I was unexpected.
There's that one in there. I think that's their boat right there. There's one on the left right there. So here we're approaching a railroad trestle that crosses over the Appomattox, and Hopewell's on the left there, and this is Anchor Point Marina here on the left, and once again Chesterfield on the right, and that's Enon area of Chesterfield. So this is Anchor Point Marina. I believe it's on the edge of Hopewell, or it possibly is Prince George. It's right on the borderline there of the two. So this is the 295 bridge over the Appomattox River, with Chesterfield being on the right, Enon section of Chesterfield, and on the left side is Prince George County. Off to the left, up over the hill there, is the Petersburg Federal Prison. But right here on the right, that's Point of Rocks, just past these towers. That is actually true Point of Rocks. It was an old Union hospital there years ago. But that's Swift Creek we're heading up here, a tributary of the Appomattox. I'm just going to ride down here and pass to the Point of Rock Park, and I'll turn around and we'll head back out about 4 o'clock. Had a good day today, I think. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you wish. Thanks.